Hey friends, welcome back to Easy English Conversations. I'm Ben.
And I'm Jane. We're really happy you're here.
Today we're talking about something very specific and very real
Yeah, how to end a conversation politely.
at a party
Or a networking event.
or any situation where you're thinking,
How do I leave without being awkward?
exactly,
And don't worry, later we'll have a gentle repeat after us moment.
nice and calm,
And a little word tour at the end.
so you can borrow lines you like.
Steal them, use them, make them yours.
Okay, Chapter A, the common problem. Picture this. You're at a party. You don't know many people. The music is a bit loud.
You're holding a drink. You're smiling. You're trying your best.
And then someone starts talking to you.
Which is good.
Yes, good. That's why you came.
But then 10 minutes pass.
Then 15.
Then, inside your head, you're thinking,
I want to get some food.
I want to talk to that other person.
I need the bathroom.
I'm tired.
But you don't know how to leave.
So you stay.
And you keep nodding
And smiling.
and saying, yeah.
While slowly dying inside.
Okay, maybe not dying.
But definitely uncomfortable.
Gentle pause. This happens because we think leaving is rude.
We think ending a conversation means rejecting someone.
But it doesn't.
Conversations are like waves.
They rise.
They fall.
They end.
That's normal.
I had this happen last year.
Oh no.
Networking event. Big room, loud music. I met a guy who sold insurance.
Okay.
He talked for maybe 25 minutes.
About insurance?
About insurance. About different kinds of insurance. Life insurance, car insurance, pet insurance.
Pet insurance?
Yes, very detailed. And I just stood there thinking, I need to escape.
But you didn't.
No, I didn't know how.
I had something similar.
Tell me.
Birthday party. I was talking to someone very nice, very kind, but they were telling a long story with every detail.
Oh no.
And I needed to leave early, but I kept thinking, just one more minute.
And that minute became
40 minutes.
exactly.
The problem isn't English.
It's confidence.
We're afraid of being impolite.
But actually, polite endings are normal.
Native speakers do it all the time.
They don't disappear.
They close the conversation gently.
So today, we'll show you how.
Chapter B, the fixes.
Tool 1. The appreciation exit.
Tool 1, appreciation.
Start with something positive.
Before you leave.
It softens everything.
Exactly.
Simple explanation. You show appreciation, then you say you're going.
That's it.
Steal this line. It was really nice talking with you.
Or, I'm so glad we got to chat.
Or, I've enjoyed this conversation.
Mini moment.
Imagine the party. You've been talking 10 minutes. You smile, you say, it was really nice talking with you.
Pause. Small smile. Then continue. I'm going to grab a drink.
Done.
No drama.
Tool 2. The future bridge.
This one is powerful.
Yes, you connect now to the future.
So it doesn't feel like goodbye forever.
Steal this line. Let's catch up soon.
Or, I'd love to continue this another time.
Or, let's stay in touch.
Mini moment. You say, I've really enjoyed this. Let's connect on LinkedIn.
Then, I'm going to say hi to a few other people.
Smooth.
Tool 3. The honest reason.
Sometimes simple honesty works best.
Yes, not dramatic, just real.
Steal this. I'm going to grab some food before it's gone.
Or, I need to use the restroom.
Or, I promised myself I'd meet at least 3 new people tonight.
I like that one.
It sounds confident.
Mini moment. You laugh. You say, I've really enjoyed this, but I should probably mingle a bit.
They understand because they're at a networking event too.
Tool 4. The soft close signal.
This one is subtle.
Body language plus short closing phrases.
Like, well,
Or, anyway.
or so.
These words signal the end.
You stand slightly straighter.
Small step back.
Smile,
Then appreciation line.
then exit.
For example, well, it was really nice talking with you.
I'm going to grab another drink.
Perfect. Chapter C. Extended role play.
Okay, let's act it out.
You're at a networking event. I'm talking too long.
Shocking.
So yeah, that's how our company doubled profits last year.
Wow, that's impressive.
And then we launched 3 new products.
That sounds exciting.
Gentle pause.
Well,
Yeah?
I've really enjoyed this. I'm going to grab a drink before the line gets long.
Of course.
Let's connect later, though.
Absolutely. See?
No one cried.
No one was offended.
No awkward explosion.
Let's try a slightly harder one. You're nervous. The other person is intense.
So then I told my manager that the strategy needed restructuring,
Mm-hmm.
and he said,
Hey, I'm really glad we got to talk.
"Oh,
I promised myself I'd meet a few new people tonight.
that's fair.
But let's definitely continue this later.
Sure."
Notice something?
She didn't apologize too much.
Yes. Not sorry, 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 sorry.
Just calm confidence.
Mini practice.
Okay, let's practice together.
Relax your shoulders.
Breathe in.
Slowly out. Repeat after me. It was really nice talking with you.
It was really nice talking with you.
I'm going to grab a drink.
I'm going to grab a drink.
Let's stay in touch.
Let's stay in touch.
I promised myself I'd meet a few new people.
I promised myself I'd meet a few new people.
I've really enjoyed this.
I've really enjoyed this.
I'm going to mingle a bit.
I'm going to mingle a bit.
Let's catch up soon.
Let's catch up soon.
Well, I should let you go.
Well, I should let you go.
Notice how calm that feels.
Short sentences.
Clear voice.
Confidence over perfection. Okay, word tour time.
Slow and easy.
Mingle. Move around and talk to different people. Example, I'm going to mingle a bit.
Catch up. Talk again later. Example, let's catch up next week.
Stay in touch. Keep communicating. Example, let's stay in touch.
Grab. Take quickly. Example, I'm going to grab a drink.
Promise. Say you will do something. Example, I promised myself I'd meet new people.
Connect. Exchange contact information. Example, let's connect on LinkedIn.
Mingle. Move socially between groups. Example, time to mingle.
Polite. Respectful and kind. Example, she ended the conversation politely.
So, what did we learn?
4 simple tools.
Appreciation first.
Bridge to the future.
Honest reason.
Soft closing signals.
Short sentences.
Calm tone.
Confidence over perfection. This week's tiny challenge.
Practice one exit line in a real conversation.
Even with a friend.
And notice how it feels.
In the comments, write one line you want to use.
Just one sentence. Closing. We're really proud of you for being here.
You're building confidence step by step.
If this helped you, like the video.
If this helped you, like the video.
Subscribe if you want more cozy English conversations.
And we'll see you next episode.
Bye for now.
See you soon.